So I end up not using any of the mats that I bought. So they'll have to go in the kitchen. I bought those mats, they will have to go in the kitchen, right? They'll have to go in the kitchen. They'll have to go in the kitchen. This was in the bathroom as well, so I'm going to put it right back in the bathroom. Let's just see how it looks. I don't want to overdo the bathroom, you know, but I feel like oh, but it was right here. It was right here, no people, right here. I think I should put it back there. Let me see. When I was watching something that was talking about decorating, and it says you must always have a dead wall. But suppose me no want a dead wall. No, you can't tell me if I have a dead wall and I don't want to have a dead wall, my love. I want to have something on that wall over there. You understand? That is my choice, you know, and I feel like if this is your home, you do what makes you happy. People may believe in that. Do what makes you happy. And I'm on my way to get the thing. So the mirror is next, right? So I have a mirror. It's not new, but I want to change it, but I'm not changing it now. I'm going to use what I have for now. Stay with me. Yay, ta-da! So this needs to just fix a little bit more. Oh boy, this is gonna break. I don't want it to break, Jesus. It's not firm. It's not firm. It's not firm. Aww. Yeah. The one in the middle save me. Oh, Jesus in the middle save me. Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me, no? Do that and beat me. Why? This is it. So we're going to do this corner over here. So now. Found it. Now you look. Hey, no, get it again. You know, the problem is you time. We can't do it now. We can't do it. We can't just. No, I don't can do it. You understand? I'm going to say, oh, it's a nice pen die. Oh, it's a nice pen die. Now you look. Oh. Hey, you look. Hey, no, get it again. Oh, my God. I love Google. I love Google. Oh my God, oh my God. Ah, okay, I can fix it now. Let me see this one. Let me see it just like that, honey.
so one wall in. Do that and beat me.